name is Amy Anders. I've been going to Dr. Eastman for several years now. Love coming here. About 3 months ago, I noticed my gums were getting red and nasty and kind of receding, and kind of panicked and said something to my dentist. And so he said to definitely make sure to say something to Dr. Eastman the next time I arrive. So when I arrived, I was a little nervous. Of course, he put me right at ease and said, well, you have some receding problems, but we can easily take care of it. They're not at a real bad stage. You should probably take care of it right now. So I said, okay, let's talk about it. So I remember when I was first with the person instructing me about the surgery, being maybe a little nervous. Any surgery makes you uneasy, but they answered all my questions and put all my fears to rest immediately, and didn't think too much more about it. Scheduled the surgery. Surgery was scheduled for about a month later. Was doing pretty good. Wasn't thinking too much about it. At my job, I kept bumping to people, bringing up, I'm having this gum surgery soon. Well, pretty soon, the horror stories come out. Oh, that's awful. I'll be thinking of you. I experienced that myself, and I had a horrible time. Problems, pain. So I think, oh, okay, not quite as calm as I once was. And then talked to some more people, and it seemed like more people than not had horror stories. It seems like nobody had anything good to say. So I'm getting a little bit more nervous. It's getting closer and closer, and next thing you know, it's a week before the surgery. I get very anxious, even not sleeping, to be honest with you, and thinking, okay, well, needs to be done, so I'm just gonna grin and bear it and get it done. Well, the day of the surgery, I came in, everything went really smooth. Went home, they give you some things that could happen that are negative just to prepare you, but I was pleasantly surprised, actually downright angry, because none of the horror stories, nothing came to be. Of course, your fears are always worse than you imagine to begin with, but everything went really smooth. I followed all the instructions that I was told. You have a little bit of pain, but I did the icing, and followed the instructions, and basically it wasn't anything like I thought, even better than I had imagined. So overall, it was a really good experience. Everybody was very nice. Dr. Eastman the whole time said, if there's any problems, feel free to call. We'll fit you in, we'll take care of you. And overall, it was just a wonderful experience. The cost was a little bit of an issue, but of course, they'll work with you with that too. And of course, in the end, it's always worth the price. If I could say anything else, just, don't listen to the horror stories. Now looking back, and when I talked to the people later and they were so surprised at how well it went, I'd have to say the majority of these people probably had the surgery 12, if not more years ago, so a lot has changed over time. And of course, it always comes down to your periodontist, which of course I have a great one.